artist has created art using a typewriter for half a century. Gurumarthy from southern India is a self-taught artist and a former bank employee. He uses his skills as a professional typewriter to create portraits of famous individuals and tourist locations. He begins by sketching out the portrait using letter X. Pressing the keys with different pressures allows him to create light and dark shades. His favorite creation to date is the Sheila Balika and the portraits of Barack Obama. He uses only Indian ink for his black and white portraits, but plans to produce his first color portrait featuring Prime Minister Narendra Modi.